Dear students, I am Prateek Bachwani, mathematics teacher of class 8, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this lecture, I am explaining you about cubes and cube roots. So, what is a cube? The cube of a number is the number raised to the power 3. Suppose cube of 2 means 2 raised to the power 3. Cube of 5, 5 raised to the power 3. It means 2 is multiplied itself 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2, which is equals to 8. 5 raised to the power 3 means 5 ka cube, which is equals to 5 into 5 into 5, which equals to 125. So here I have written the cubes of numbers 1 to 20. 1 ka cube 1, 2 ka cube 8, 3 27, 4 64, 5 125, 6 216, 7 343, 8 512, 9 729, 10 का 1000, 11 1331, 12 1728, 13 2197, 14 2744, 15 3375, 16 4096, 17 4913, 18 5832, 5832, 19 6859 and 20 का 8000. Now how to find a perfect cube? Examine whether 200, 864 are perfect cubes. How to find a perfect cube? First, we will find out the prime factorization of the given number. Here you can see the given numbers are 200, 2 से 100 times, 2 से 50 times 100, 2 से 25 times 50, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. This is the prime factorization of 864. 2 से 432 times 864, 2 से 216 times 432, 2 से 108 times 216, 2 से 54 times 108, 2 से 27 times 54, 3 से 9 times 27, 3 से 3 times 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now group together triplets of the same prime factors. If no number is left out, the number is a perfect cube. If some factor is left out as a single factor or a double factor, then the number is not a perfect cube. See, the prime factorization of 200 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Here the number 2 has made a complete triplet, but these you can see 5 is 2 more times. Here one more time 5 is required to make triplet of 5. Therefore 200 is not a perfect cube. 864 2 की triplet, 3 की triplet, but 2 is 2 times. One time 2 is required to make one more triplet of 2. Therefore 864 is not a perfect cube. There are some facts which are related to the cubes of certain numbers. Let us see. Cubes of all the odd numbers are always odd. Suppose 3 is an odd number. Cube of 3 is 27. Here you can see 27 is an odd number. Cube of 5 equals to 125. Cube of 7 equals to 343. Cube of 11 equals to 1331. So we will see that cubes of odd numbers are also odd. Cubes of all even numbers are even. 2 is an even number and cube of 2 is 8. 8 is also an even number. Cube of 4 is 64, which is an even number. Cube of an even number 6 is 216, which is an even number. The cube of a negative integer is always negative. Suppose there is a negative integer, as for example minus 1 का cube minus 1, minus 2 का cube minus 8, minus 3 का cube minus 27. It means the cube of a negative integer is always negative. For any rational number, suppose a by b का whole cube will be equals to a cube by b cube. Suppose 2 by 3 का whole cube means 2 का cube in the numerator and 3 का cube in the denominator. So 2 का cube means 8, 3 का cube means 27. Suppose minus 4 by 5 का whole cube means minus 4 का cube in the numerator and 5 का cube in the denominator. So minus 4 का cube minus 64 and 5 का cube 125. Thank you.